In the production process to ensure the output value and ball quality, water washing coal particle size requirements in the range of 90 to 260 mesh. Coal powder is not allowed to have high hardness impurities, otherwise it will damage the roll surface. The feed of the water washing ball press should be uniform and timely, and the adjustable screw feeder should be used. In the production process of water washing coal ball pressing machine, it is necessary to observe the return amount of water washing coal ball pressing machine in time and adjust the supply amount of new materials. Water washing ball press to ensure the quality of the ball, but must not overload operation. To maintain the maintenance of equipment, in addition to the overhaul management work, overload operation is also a key factor affecting the production of equipment and the quality of the ball.